Hi there, it's Eleanor here from Boudoir by Honeydew Photography, and I just wanted to introduce you to my studio. It used to be a garage. I converted it about 10-11 years ago, and I'm going to just give you a little tour. So here is the waiting room just outside the studio door. As you enter, you'll see the change area to the right behind the screen. And then you can do a few touch-ups if you need to with the mirror, and we can do some mirror shots. And basically it's just one space, one working space. It's just a working studio, okay? So it's perfect for, you know, boudoir, nudes, couples, glamour, whatever your adventure is. Here are a few samples. As you can see, it is a small studio. It is no frills, but you get a lot of value out of what we can offer. It's friendly, it's safe, it's relaxed. It is a lot of fun when you have our sessions. We really want you to be floating out of here and you finally realize that you're beautiful. So again, Eleanor from Boudoir by Honeydew Photography. I hope we see you soon. Bye for now.